to replace lenses in existing frames. If you love your current eyeglass frames but need to replace lenses, you might be wondering if you can replace the lenses without buying new frames. The answer is yes, you can. This process is called reglazing, and it can save you money and time while keeping your favorite frames. Replacing lenses or reglazing happens when an optician or an online retailer removes your old lenses from your frames and replaces them with new ones that match your prescription and preferences. You can choose from different types of lenses, such as single vision, bifocal, progressive, or non-prescription, and add various features such as anti-reflective coating, tints, blue light filter, or polarization. There are many benefits of replacing lenses in your existing frames, such as you can keep the frames that suit your style and fit your face well. You can save money by only paying for the lenses and not the frames when you only replace lenses. You can reduce waste by reusing your frames instead of throwing them away. You can update your prescription without changing your look. However, there are also some drawbacks to reglazing, such as your frames need to be in good condition and not too old or damaged. Your frames need to have a shape that's compatible with the lenses you want. You need to send your frames to the optician or online retailer and wait for them to return with new lenses. You may not have a warranty or guarantee for the new lenses or the reglazing process. To reglaze your existing frames at a local optician shop, you need to find an optical shop that offers reglazing services. Not all shops do this, so you may need to call or visit several places before finding one. Bring your current frames and your most recent prescription that shows your pupil distance. If you don't have your PD, the optician can measure it for you. Choose the type of lenses and features you want. The optician will help you find the best options for your vision needs and your budget. Pay for the lenses and the reglazing service. The cost will vary depending on the lens type, the features, and the shop. It may range from $40 to over $100 per pair of lenses. Wait for the optician to replace the lenses in your frames. This may take from a few hours to a few days, depending on the availability of the lenses and the workload of the shop. You can also avail of an online service to replace lenses. The advantage of using an online service is that you can save money and access a wider range of lens types and features than at a local shop. You can also compare different prices and reviews from different online retailers. However, the downside is that you need to ship your frames and wait for them to return with new lenses. You also don't get to see or try on the lenses before buying them. You may also have less customer service or support if something goes wrong.